Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. One more tutorial talking about the chord progressions, and we carry on with these 24 progressions that we can develop by using simply 4 chords, the one on the 1st, 4th, 5th and 6th. I've already shown and played for you and explained 4 chord progressions out of these 24, today with the 5th. I invite you to watch the first videos where I talk about the method that I'm using. That obviously would make it easy, and now I go straight to the performance of this progression. The progression that I'm going to show you today is the 5th of this list, the one where I keep the 1st on the 1st column. And now, obviously, since I've used twice the 4th, twice the 5th, today is time to use the 6th here. And if I've used 1st and 6th, I'm going to place the 4th and then the 5th, respecting simply the order, yeah? Obviously in the next I will keep the 6th here and I will invert the last 2. I simply repeat that I am not letting you move the chords in blocks like you would do by yourself, or randomly, not applying any principle. The principle that we use here is the one of confirming the notes that 2 consecutive chords have in common. Confirming it means that I don't move that note, but I move the remaining ones, or the remaining one. Now I have to play 1st, 6th, 4th, 5th. The left hand can stay where it is. Now I want to start from the root position on the right side. I clarify what I do, same as I have done in all the previous videos. Move from the 1st to the 6th, keeping these ones, these 2 notes, because C and A minor have these 2 notes in common, and I simply move the G to the A. Then I save C and A because they are in common in between A and F, and I apply the contrary motion because F and G, they have nothing in common. It happens when you move from one note to the following one, either to the right or to the left. Now from the first inversion. Again, same story. Save E and C, move G up, then I save A and C, move E up to the F, and contrary motion because F and G have nothing in common. And the very last, in second inversion, I move the right hand here to help the camera. Let's clarify. I save C and E, I move G up to the A, because I am moving from C to A, then I save A and C, move E up, and contrary motion because they have nothing in common. When the bass jumps of 3rd, this is a 3rd, yeah? You skip one note, 1, 2, 3, this is the way we consider it in music. Either down or up. The 2 consecutive chords have always 2 notes in common. It happens also in between the A minor and the F major. You see? You save these 2. Same story, it's a 3rd. When you move over 2nd, either up or down, obviously nothing is in common, and you apply the contrary motion. Bass goes up, right hand goes down. You have probably noticed in the previous tutorials that when you jump of 4th or 5th, the 2 consecutive chords have just 1 note in common. For example, if I go from C to F, they have just 1 note. Same story if I go from the C to the G. Jump of 4th, they have just the G. And you move the other ones. I hope you are appreciating these tutorials. I hope you have understood everything. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. And stay tuned. I will show you all the possible chord progressions developed using these 4 chords, and then we will do the same with the ones using the 2nd and then the 3rd, and so on. The journey is quite long. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.